Hi, we already washed the globe outside because it's summer, the weather is nice, and using the pressure hose is much faster and easier. And just make sure to use a very mild soap, organic. And here we are. One thing, you have to dry the surfaces very well. And you will notice underneath this, it will be wet, but you can lift this a little bit. So if there is enough room for your hand to wash, to clean, to dry underneath this. And now I'm gonna put the filter back on. So I'm gonna move this like this. And it's kind of hard to do it with one hand. So I'm gonna try to place this thing here. That way I'm gonna show you how to do it. And here's the filter. You have just to put the tabs here in the openings, like that. And then here, 2 more tabs, just pressure, and that's it. That's all you have to do. Now you flip the globe, put it back in the little robot. You have to make sure it's centered. You see this is not centered. You can tell this is kind of on the side, so you just move it. This is still not centered. And that's center. And you can tell the old little robot 3 had these indentations on the sides. Now it's here. So that's one difference. So when you're sure it's centered, the glove is totally centered, you put the bonnet. Okay, now you put the bonnet back on. The first thing, you gotta make sure it fits here, and then you check the sides. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna show you. You see, you gotta make sure this fits here, and then here, and there, and here. Wait, I need 2 hands for this. Okay, and that's how you put it, and that needs to look like this. Now you have to plug it and turn it on and use the little cat leader of your preference, and that's all.